Alright, in this section of the video, I would like to show you this transformation tool. Let's do transformation based on translate. So as already known in Geogebra, as you place your mouse on the tool, it will tell you what to do. So let's see. As I place my mouse on translate by vector, it's telling me to select object to translate, then a vector. That means before I can do a translation in mathematics, I need a vector. So let's take the object we want to translate. You can actually translate so many things in math. You can translate a plane shape. You can translate an image. I can import an image and translate it. Anything I can translate a point, whatever. So anything I wish to translate, I can do. But let's just do a simple one. Let's take a simple shape. Let me take, for example, a triangle. So this is my triangle. So that is this. Then if I don't need these ones to appear, I'll just click on it, come and hide them. So let's do that very fast. All right. So the next thing is I need my vector. So how do you get vector in GeoGebra? Just go to here, see this place. These are for some objects, so you can get your vector on this place of line. You can see this is a vector. So and when you place the mouse on vector, it's telling you to select your start point and your end point. So vector need a beginning. Vector is a quantity that have magnitude and direction. So you want it to know where you are starting and where you are stopping. So as you click on it, so I want my vectors to start, let's just say here, and stop, let's say here. You can actually edit that later. You can move it around. You can move the stopping point. You can move the starting point. That is another beauty. And the name of this vector, don't forget, the name of this vector is U. The name of every object in GeoGebra is very important. So the name of this vector is U. The name of this polygon I just did, my triangle, is T1. So the name of this vector is small letter u, which is this. If you click on this, see the vector have disappeared. So click on it, it appears. So all those are the ways you understand GeoGebra. Everything you are doing must appear in the algebra view here. Now let's translate now. Let's move this object based on this vector. Very easy. You can either come to your algebra view and type it, or you come here and select it. But this time around, let me type it and show you how you can translate by typing it. So you don't forget the name of the polygon is T1, then the name of the vector is U. So as you come to this place, just type TRA. See, TRA, we have translate there. There are other things you can do, but our target in this video is translate. So what are you translating? I need to translate an object and a vector, not a vector with a start point. I need an object. So just click on this. So what is the name of the object? That is this object. The name is T1. Just type T1. Then what is the name of the vector? The name of the vector is U. So just type your small letter U and click on enter. So immediately you click on enter, the vector has been translated. You can see that the object has been translated by this vector. So it is this vector that decides the movement of this object. So if I place this vector here, you see, wherever I move it to, this object will translate according to it. So let's take, for example, this vector. The starting point is on the origin, and this ending point is on the origin. You see, everything is 0, 0. As I move my vector along, let me use my arrow button in my keyboard. As I move my vector along the y-axis, you see the object is being translated upward. So this is the, as you change the position of the object, you see the translated object will move with it. So wherever you place it, it will move with it. So that is one beauty. See, as I translate, let me translate to my negative side. That is towards this side of the graph. As I move, see, the object is being translated. As you translate to positive side, the object is being translated. That's one beauty of using GeoGebra to teach in your classroom. As I move it at an angle, you move, you see, you move. That's another beauty. As you move it, so in the class, student, you can ask your children a question, translate this object, triangle ABC, with a vector. So what is the value of the vector? You can see it here. The value of this vector, for example, is 2 and 2 at this point. X is 2, Y is 2. Or it can be 1 and 2. That means 1 and 3. That means this object move 1 in the x direction, 3 in the y direction, which is this, which is C, for example, is 1, then 1, 2, 3. You can use it to teach your children translation in the classroom, and in that way they will understand easily, ask their question, because we have made it a dynamic translation for them to understand. So that is all for this video on translation. I hope you enjoy watching it. Thank you for watching this video. Do have a nice day.